Welcome back friends to the second part of class 6 geography chapter 2. In this class we will discuss about longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines which runs from one pole to another pole. This line is also known as meridian of longitudes. The distance between the longitudes measured in degrees of longitudes. This longitude represent at 0 degree and are known as prime meridian. This prime meridian divided Earth into two equal parts. This side part is known as 180 degree east and this part is known as 180 degree west. The prime meridian passes through North Pole to South Pole through Greenwich Observatory in London, England. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon, which means 12 o'clock. As Earth rotates from west to east, these places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, which means addition of time, and those to west will be behind it, which means subtraction of time. The meridian with 0 degree is known as prime meridian. I already told you. Standard reference point is called UTC, Coordination Universal Time. I have told you about 180 degree east and 180 degree west. Let me explain you here. Suppose this is Earth. On Earth, this is 0 degree Celsius, prime meridian. Here we have 30 degree east, 30 degree west, 60 degree east, 60 degree west. Let me draw it like this. This is 0 degree, 15 degree east, 30 degree east, 15 degree west, 30 degree west. As we know, Earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours. 360 degree 24 hours. Which means 15 degree in 1 hour. How will it come? We have 24 hours, 360 degree rotation. In 1 hour, 360 divided by 24 and we have 15 degree. Or in 1 minute, we have in 1 degree we have 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means here we have 12 o'clock, then we have 1 p.m. But at 15 degree west of Greenwich, time will be behind of Greenwich time by 1 hour, which means 11 o'clock or 11 a.m. Let's understand about international date line. International date line is the line where date changes by exactly 1 day when it is crossed. A traveler crossing date line from east to west east to west loses a day, and while crossing date line from west to east he gains a day. This international date line is passes through Pacific Ocean. Some group of islands fall on either side of date line. So if date line was passes through if international date line was straight, then two regions of same island country would fall under different date zones. Sorry for the interruption. So I am telling you about why we have international date line as zigzag motion. In zigzag, so because we have some island groups, some island countries would fall either this side or this side. If we passes the date line straight, then we have two different regions two different regions of time in the same island country. Thus, to avoid any confusion of date, it is zigzag. And how to calculate time or how it changes a day, I already told you. This is the international date line. You can see here, to avoid different times in same island country, that's why we have zigzag international date line. Now let's come to the Indian Standard Time. As we know, our India is completely into the northern hemisphere and in eastern hemisphere. Indian government has accepted meridian of 82.5 degree east of standard time, which is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. So we have the time difference from Gujarat to Assam, and this is of 1 hour 30 minutes. This is the Greenwich line understanding. This is prime meridian 0 degree. Here is the east part, here is the west part. If in the London, in Greenwich, the time is 2 p.m., then in India would be the time 7:30 p.m. How? In 2 p.m. we will add 5 hours and 30 minutes. That's why we will have 7:30 p.m. because India is completely in eastern part of Earth. So we have discussed about 3 parts: longitudes, international date line, and Indian Standard Time. Thank you.